Hello! In the previous section, we detailed the features and technical specifications of the 5-axis CNC milling turning machine. In this video, we will delve into its practical applications and analyze, is this machine line the comprehensive solution for complex furniture manufacturing, including the complete processing of a wooden chair? First, we will talk about post patterns and stair baluster patterns, which are among the main product lines for this machine, alongside chair legs. Processing complex posts and stair balusters previously required the involvement of multiple machines, several steps, and an absolute dependence on the skill of experienced craftsmen. This led to significant risks of production interruption when personnel changed, and at the same time, consistent output and quality for export orders could not be guaranteed. With the QUOC 5-axis milling turning machine, the process is simplified. Input the raw workpiece, the machine returns the finished product. This is the ideal solution for businesses manufacturing stair balusters for large-scale projects or export. Second, the machine demonstrates the capability to fully process all components of a wooden chair, including complex chair leg styles belonging to the neoclassical or Indochine genre. With a maximum processing length of 1.2 meters and an optional 1.5 meters, the machine effectively handles export table legs, chair backs, and chair seats. Even the most complex shapes, provided there is a design drawing, the QUOC 5-axis CNC milling turning machine will process them completely. Overall, this will be the leading solution for automation optimization and accuracy improvement in the wood industry. QUOC 5-axis milling turning machine offers the perfect combination of speed, durability, and superior processing quality. It is highly suitable for export furniture workshops or those specializing in contract orders for projects. If your business is interested in this product line, contact QUOC today to receive consultation and upgrade your workshop with 5-axis technology.